Welcome to Automation Fair 2023 in Boston. I'm Amanda Josie, Managing Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our Partner Network magazine. I'm here today with Tim Norman of Hardy Process Solutions. Hardy Process Solutions is a technology partner in the Rockwell Automation Partner Network program. Tim, can you tell me more about your company?
Sure. Hardy Process Solutions is involved with process weighing. We generally focus on what happens inside factory doors, industrial weighing. As you mentioned, we've been a Rockwell partner for about 30 years. We pride ourselves on being very easy to integrate with Rockwell controllers. We're all about weight.
And being a technology partner, how does that benefit you and your customers?
The first of all is the integration piece. So getting weight data into a PLC, if you're not a technology partner, can be a little challenging. So we work closely with Rockwell to make sure our customer experience with our instruments to get that data into the PLC is as easy as possible.
It's all about solving problems and making things as simple as possible, isn't it? And so what is something that you are highlighting here at the show today?
We're actually highlighting a couple things. We're releasing some new controllers. Of course, they speak Ethernet IP over to Rockwell. We're going to get your help on developing AOPs for them and faceplates, as well as on the other side of the booth, we're a few months shy of releasing a module for the 5069 platform.
That's great. And is there any particular applications you want to highlight or talk about today?
Weighing applications, of course, and there's a lot of different weighing applications. You can determine level with weight. You can determine rate, flow rates. Check weighing is another application. So, yeah, we serve all of the different weighing applications.
That's great. And if you want to learn more about Hardy Process Solutions and its product, go ahead and check out the website on your screen. I'm Amanda Joshi, Managing Editor of the Journal here at Automation Fair 2023 in Boston. Thanks for watching.